Ublay yaki supporters barokhoy tenga kwa ban pashat chapi ka way ka tinjong ublay. Second letter of Saint Paul to the Corinthians. Therefore, if anyone is in Christ, the new creation has come. The old has gone, the new is here. Tenga kwa ban ong yapi ba ki baladep ladep ngimla shuban lek pai shaki baladep nrei ini basdang tmai ki barokhoy. Ngaru ngaladep ange ya ka YouTube channel la dan kumbalai snam ai ke mentapat nang kwa basdang tmai biang ya ka YouTube channel jonga bad ban penyai biang dengan like kai seki jaka baper ba internet badan kelum kiwa te ka ai ka bang kwa ban ya thu shapi kalong ne ba menta kasni namulit sim ya ka kamera bang ada order la dan kumba Laisni AI Bangladesh order te itradukan ila phone nga bermacam ka kamera te ngas dokumen ba banyak ngaw ya kata ka kubor kumne ngamud banachim na ya kata ka kamera no ta ka dukan te kadon kumba karsau kilometer AI tengan lai dekan ka bicycle lamar ngadang semelang dan kabor balingan chupen set AI kabor lano patnan penuh kami ka te saya siampat uki syata dukan. My English is not Englishing, but anyway, why I dress like this? Because to protect myself from the sun. Otherwise, people will not be able to see me. They will only see the places. This is the camera which I have bought, and it is very good and very nice. So I shoot before I was shooting with the camera, but right now I'm shooting with this action camera. Just look at this stability. That is the pillar of Jesus. On top of that pillar there is a statue of Jesus. Look how stable it is, and you can shoot easily by it. You can even shoot selfie. I'll show you how I will turn. I'll turn that camera to myself. This is how I turn the camera to myself. Look how stable it is. Very clear and very nice. It see all the angles. And white bicycle nga bicycle nga ga arab ha dang ana bo dang na red dang rau pat chong parare dang sup nga dak nang e bo mas ya dur mai chong re to de kale rat step para nga dara chong para kata para re pada ye re. Let me show you how this camera, how the stability of this camera. Look, even I ride a bicycle, it won't even move. It is very stable. Actually, this camera is built for adventures, for those who are doing vlogging, for YouTubers. But I'm not that kind of person. But I only documenting my personal life and showing the places, the beautiful places to my loves and dear ones. Someone is saying hi guys. I'm the only guy. Unique guys. There's only one person riding bicycle and showing the world. Serong style da. Kanina siya. And here I reached till the end. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.